so. That with the bread. Like that. I get the butter, not the cream, the butter. Very low heat on 2. You don't do this unless you're a professional chef. True. Right? Now we get the eggs. Right. Put my eggs for your liking. That I can eat that on its own. I should get the cheese. Whoops. I should have the cheese ready on hand. There was no mayo because I already got the cream in the cheese. I mean the cream in the eggs. And this was the cream in the cheese. So we put that on. Everyone you can do that. If you want to use up all the eggs, you can put egg, cheese, and egg on top. That is brilliant. Get the other one. We probably should butter that side too before we put it on. No, I don't want too much butter. Mine. Is that right? Or, yeah, that could be right. Okay. Like that. We'll flip it in a minute.